Hi everyone, hello students. My name is Ayushi, and I have a very good, I would say, mathematics background. And today I am going to teach you guys a topic named as probability. So, let's start. If I define probability can be defined as the likelihood or the chances of something occurring or not occurring. This might sound complicated, but try to understand by going by the words. Probability is something, it is basically a numerical value. It is a number by which I can say that this particular event is going to occur or this event is not going to occur. So it is basically that one number. It is a number. Now, what kind of number is it? So you see, the probability of anything happening or not happening, it lies between two very small numbers, which is 0 and 1. So the probability of something happening or not happening, it is basically a float number. It is a decimal value which lies between 0 and 1. More the probability of something happening means more the chances of something happen. Now this was all very technical. I know this was all very technical, but don't worry. We'll learn about probability in very easy terms just now. Okay. So first of all, this concept of probability, why is it even important to study at this point of time in life, right? Because guys, probability is something that we are using, probability and its applications we are using at this point of time everywhere. Suppose I open any app and I want to order food, suppose. Now I want to order food. How is the app getting to know that I want to eat in pizza today? Why is the app suggesting me pizzas? Something is going on behind that, right? That is known as machine learning. We are teaching the apps and everything to suggest us things that is some that things are in our brain, right? That machine learning on behind has something known as statistics. And that statistics behind is having something known as probability. That is the chances of something happening or not happening. Like, we'll understand with very easy examples. So the very first example for you is that you carry an umbrella every day. You carry an umbrella every day to school or college, but it doesn't rain. But that one day you didn't carry an umbrella and it rained. What was that? Did you feel that you were unlucky because it rained and you didn't carry an umbrella? No. That was probability, right? You were not sure whether it will rain or not. You were not sure, by chance you forgot. That is everything comes under probability only. Okay, so I hope that you must have got a taste of what probability actually means. What is the meaning of probability? It is basically the chance of something happening or not happening. Now I'll try to make you guys understand how is probability actually applied in our day-to-day lives. And we'll see that with the help of some examples and some use cases of probability, how probability is being used in day-to-day lives. And hence it is important that we get to understand this concept of probability in our early stages only, that is from class 8, 9, 10th onwards. So, there is a chapter named as data handling in class 8 NCERT maths book, and there's a topic named as chances and probability. The scope of this video is going to be that only. So yeah, so our next question is, I'll read out the question. Experiment is rolling a die, event is getting an even number, and I need to find out the probability of getting an even number. Now, let's just find it out. First of all, my experiment is rolling a die. So, I'll write out on the sheet of paper that what are the possible outcomes of it. I can either get a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5 or a 6, right? So, these are the total number of outcomes. 6 outcomes. Now, my event is getting an even number. What is an even number? An even number is basically any number when I divide it by 2, it gives me the remainder of 0. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what are the even numbers? 2, 4 and 6. Okay, that is done. Now, I need to find the probability of getting ahead, which is equal to number of favorable outcomes. What are the favorable outcomes? 2 is a favorable outcome, 4 is a favorable outcome, and 6 is a favorable outcome. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3 outcomes, right? Divide by total number of outcomes. And what is the total number of outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 6. So 2 divided by 6, which is equal to, sorry, 3 divided by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2, is our probability of getting an even number. So this, thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for learning about probability. And yeah, thank you.